So in this session, we'll be working with modifying the tuples. We know that we cannot able to modify the tuple, but we can assign a new value to the variable within the tuple. Right? Suppose I take variable 3 and I create a tuple with two integer numbers. Say suppose I created integer number say 400 and I create one more number called 800. Two integer numbers within a tuple, and I do the print over here. So it comes that you have a tuple with two elements 400 and 800. Suppose I want to change, assign a new value, new element into the list in the tuple. So I can change, I can take the same variable and I can change the number. Suppose I require from 400 to, suppose I require 300, and from 800 say I put it as 100, and we'll see whether it will work. Where 3 shift enter, yes, it is working. So in this case it means that tuple are simple data structures. In simple, you can say tuples are simple data structures, where here you can't able to modify the elements, but you can assign a new value to the elements, so where it will take into considerations. So when you want to store the set of values that cannot be changed in throughout the life of the program, you can use the tuple.